Today I'm cooking my family favorite dish for lunch, stir-fry Loh See Fun with minced chicken. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 450 grams of Loh See Fun or rice pin noodles, 75 grams of spring onions cut into 1.5 inch in length, 300 grams of bean sprout washed and clean, 200 ml of water, 200 grams of minced chicken. This is homemade minced chicken breast, half of the yellow onion cut into thin slices, 1 red chilli, 1.5 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped preserved vegetables. This is what it looks like. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Heat the pan, add in half tablespoon of garlic oil, 2 eggs, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Stir and cook the egg for about 1.5 minutes or until egg is cooked. After about 1 minute and 20 seconds, the egg is well cooked. Remove from the pan and leave it aside. In the same pan, add in the balance of the garlic oil. The oil gets heated really quickly as the pan is still hot from cooking the egg. Add in all the minced chicken, stir and spread it around the pan. Add in all the salt, add in half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir and break any lumps from the minced chicken. After 1 minute, the minced chicken is getting cooked and has changed to a grayish color. Add in the preserved vegetable and 1/3 of crispy fried garlic. Continue to stir and cook the minced chicken for about 1.5 minutes to ensure it is well cooked and combined with the vegetable and seasoning. Alright, the chicken is ready. Switch off the heat and remove chicken from the pan. Leave it aside. I will use the same pan to fry the Loh See Fun as well. Switch on the heat. Add in all the Loh See Fun. Give it a stir to separate any lumps formed by the noodles. Since I am using a non-stick pan, I am not using oil to fry this. If using a normal type of wok or pan, I recommend adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil before adding the Loh See Fun. This is to prevent Loh See Fun from getting stuck on the pan. Next, add in the balance of light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, chilli, yellow onion, and the thick soy sauce. Stir and mix for about 20 seconds or until Loh See Fun and seasoning are well combined. Add in 200 ml of water. Give it a mix. Cover the pan and allow to simmer for 8 minutes or until Loh See Fun is cooked and has absorbed all the gravy. Stir in between for even cooking and prevent the Loh See Fun of getting stuck at the bottom of the pan. After 8 minutes, see, the Loh See Fun is cooked. They have expanded in size. This is because they had absorbed all the gravy while they were cooking. It looks very smooth and delicious. This is perfect. Next, add in all the cooked chicken, the eggs, sugar, and half of the crispy fried garlic. Stir and break any lump from the chicken and eggs. Add in the bean sprout and cut spring onions. Stir for about 1 minute or until the vegetables are cooked and well combined with Loh See Fun. If softer and well-cooked vegetables are preferred, continue to cook for 1 more minute. Alright, I can give it a taste now. Really good. At this stage, more seasoning can be added if preferred, but for this, it is really delicious. Switch off the heat and we are done. A simple stir-fry Loh See Fun with minced chicken. Let's dish out and serve. Sprinkle with crispy fried garlic. Let's eat! Oh wow! Very tasty and flavorful. Loh See Fun is soft and very smooth. The minced chicken is tasty with a little hint of sourness and saltiness from preserved vegetable. The bean sprout is still crunchy. Every bite is savory, flavorful, and well balanced. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!